Welcome back. It's been a cold few days here. It snowed a little bit, the temperatures dipped into the negatives, but worse than that, the streets were all ice. So I haven't been out here for a few days. Check out what they have right next door. There is a music store, guitar shop, and oh, it's closed. Oh well, guess I can't skateboard or bicycle ride back. There will be no fun to be had on these sidewalks. Guess this guy's been waiting a while for me to come back. As you can see, it looks like they've condensed and cleaned up a lot of this area. Hey look, it's some of those signs. They are indeed selling some of them. These are in really nice condition. $150. That's a steal. I found this little room on the side here over by my man Carl. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, I don't know if this ladder's OSHA approved. Hello! I wonder what sweet things will... Oh, okay. We just found more mess. Remember everybody, when trying to store your stuff, make sure to just pile it together so it's easy to find. Got a small mixer here. Ooh, a bubble machine. Hey, I recognize those. They're the amps and the stage boxes that are on the other side. It's kind of a cool view up here. I mean, I feel like I could fall at any moment, but it's cool. Well, I survived my journey into the Narnia door. There's so much stuff in such a little space. Let's make our way back to the... Ooh, what is that? Now we're talking. Looks like it's plans for the bar. Big reveal. They are gonna name it the B-Side Bar. Very cool. They have a layout and even a mock-up of the stage. Let's take a look behind the bar now. A lot of cleaning's been done. Quite a bit of these taps are gone now. The controller for the lights and the mixer were also housed behind the bar. And shocker, it's an X32. For some reason this light switch literally is so hot it will burn your finger if you leave it on there. I don't think that's any indication of the problems we're gonna have today. Spoiler, it is. Hey look, they're starting on the stage. We will bow down to no sponsor. Rigid's a fantastic brand. Just kidding. I've never used them. We'll see how good they work. If you've ever done a project, you know that look. It means, dang it. How do you make a stage level when the floor literally ripples like a wave? It takes a lot more work than you think. So we had this fun feature that every time that Chad used the saw, the lights would dim. And Seth just let us know that he found some fun electrical issues. Let's go check them out. This pile of cables was just plugged in or spliced in to run nothing. I don't know if any of you work in HVAC, but from my experience, using an old bathroom trash can is pretty much industry standard for holding up pipes. This looks like that thin cable that you would get for an extension cord for a lamp or something, and it's spliced into who knows. You can see this is absolutely a mess. We have cables spliced into other boxes going into junction boxes that have switches that go into other surge protectors. This is wild. Just looking at these lines and trying to trace where they go and how they're all spliced together, it's just mind-boggling. What's even crazier is putting conduit on one of these thin cables to hide that it's not a thin cable. And then it feeds into this junction box, and Lord knows what's going on in there. They even went as far as painting the cable silver so they all blended in. Look at all those zip ties. It's time for a break to reevaluate just how big this project is going to be. From what I've seen, starting your own bar and renovating a bar is not for the faint of heart. Tune in for my next video where we can see the progress that's been made in My Friends Have Bought a Bar. We'll see you there.